Fine. Hello students, today's class it is about chapter 6, Be My Multiple, I Will Be Your Factor. Dear students, in last class also we learned same chapter. So in that class we discussed about HCF. HCF means highest common factor. Now in today's class also here are some more examples of HCF. It is for more practice. HCF, see क्वेश्चन इज फाइंड द एचसीएफ ऑफ फॉलोइंग नंबर. यहाँ पर जो नंबर लिखे इन नंबर के हमें यहाँ पर एचसीएफ फाइंड आउट करना है. फर्स्ट एग्जांपल एचसीएफ ऑफ 28 एंड 32. हियर वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द एचसीएफ ऑफ 28 एंड 32. देन व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, हमें क्या करना है? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू मेक द लिस्ट ऑफ फैक्टर्स ऑफ 28. सी फैक्टर्स ऑफ 28. तो बच्चों व्हाट आर द फैक्टर्स ऑफ 28? और 28 के फैक्टर क्या है? किस नंबर से 28 पे एग्जैक्टली डिवाइड हो सकता है? देखिए, इफ यू डिवाइड 28 बाय 28 देन इट विल बी 21 into 28 equal to 20 होता है. मीन्स 1 and 28 बोथ आर द फैक्टर हियर. देन इट कैन बी अगेन डिवाइड बाय 2. 2 से डिवाइड करो तो आपको 14 मिलता है. मीन्स 2 and 14 बोथ आर फैक्टर हियर. देन 3 से नहीं होगा बेटा. 4 into 7. 4 into 7 again it is 28. 4 7 that 28. You see 1 2 4 7 14 and 28. 1 2 4 7 14 and 28. 1 2 4 7 14 and 28. These are the factors of and 28. These are factors of 28. कौन कौन से फैक्टर है? 1 2 4 7 14 and 28. These are the factors of 28. Next, factors of 32. Factors of 32. So what are the factors of 32 now? See, 1 into 32 होगा. 2 से डिवाइड करें 16 मिलेगा. मीन्स 2 and 16 both are factor. Again 4 into 8. 4 and 8. देन 5 से डिवाइड नहीं होगा बेटा. 5 6 30 होता है. 5 से 7 35 होगा. देन 6 से भी नहीं होगा. 6 5 30. 6 6 36. 7 की टेबल में भी नहीं है. 7 1 7. 7 5 35 होगा और 7 4 28 होता है. नेक्स्ट नंबर इज 8. इट मीन दीज आर द फैक्टर 1 2 4 8 16 एंड 32. क्या फैक्टर है? 1 2 4 8 16 एंड 32. दीज आर द फैक्टर ऑफ 32. सी 1 2 4 8 16 and 32. Okay, 1 2 4 8 16 and 32. These are the factors of 32. Now common factors of 28 and 32. Now what are the common factors of 28 and 32? See, common factors of 28 and 32. अब 28 और 32 के फैक्टर्स क्या है? What are the common factors? See, it is 1 1. Okay? Next, see it is 2 2. Okay? Next, it is 4 4. Yes, and now 7 14 28 8 okay. So see, it is 1 2 and 4. These are the common factors of 28 and 32. So we can write here, see 1 2 and 4 are the common factors. So HCF of 28 and 32. HCF of, see, HCF of 28 and 32, it is what? Our answer is 4. Which is our answer? It is 4. Now question number 2. 30 and 42. See, factors of 30. Factors of 30. So what are the numbers by which numbers we can exactly divide the 30? See, it is 1 into 30. Means 1 and 2 both are the factor 30. 2 into 15. 2 and 15 both are factor. then 3 into 10, 3 10s are 30 and 10 3s are 30, then 5 into 6. So see 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. क्या क्या है? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. ओके, क्या क्या बेटा? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. These are the factors of 30. Next, factors of 42. What are the factors of 42? अब 42 के फैक्टर्स क्या है? देखिए 1 into 42 होगा, 1 into 42. नेक्स्ट 2 into 21 होता है बेटा, 3 into 14 होगा, देन 4 into 4 से करके देखिए तो बेटा 42 by 4, 4 1s are 4, 4 0s are 0 या 10 से 4 से डिवाइड नहीं होगा है. देन 6 into 7, तो सी 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 21 and 42. These are the factors of 42. क्या क्या फैक्टर है? It is 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 21 and 42. क्या फैक्टर? What are the factors of 42? 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 21 and 42. Now common factor. Of 30 and 42. Now what are the common factors of 30 and 42? अब 30 और 42 के बीच में क्या कॉमन फैक्टर है? What are the common factors 30 and 42? See, it is 1, 1, then 2, 2, 3, 3, then 6, 6. So these are 1, 2, 3 and 6. क्या हुआ? 1, 2, 3 and 6. These are the 4 common factors of 30 and 42. Now see, SCF of 30 and 42. So what is the SCF of 30 and 42? इसका SCF क्या होगा? SCF of 30 and 42. See, these are the common factor, and out of this common factor, which factor is the factor having highest value? It is 6. So we can write the SCF of 30 and 42. It is 6. Now, question number 3. See, 35 and 49. The first number is 35. Factors of 35. Factors of 35. What are the factors of 35? See, 1 into 35. 1 into 35, 35 1 is 35. Then 2 से नहीं होगा बेटा, because it is odd number. 3 के टेबल से देखिए तो 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 2. ओके, देन 4 से नहीं होता कि देखिए 35 by 4, 4 8s are 32, it is 3. It is 3. Remainder is 3, so it is not divisible. Then what we have to do again? It is 1, 5 से होगा बेटा, then 7 होगा. देखिए 1 into 35, 5 into 7, तो see 1, 5, 7 and 35. And 35. क्या है? 1, 5, 7 and 35. These are the factors of 35. Next, factors of 49. Factors of 49. अब क्या बेटा? What are the factors of 49? 1 into 49 and then it is 7 into 7. So see 1, 7 and 49. 1, 7 and 49. So 1, 7 and 49. These are the 3 factors of 49. So next we can write here कॉमन फैक्टर्स ऑफ 35 एंड 49. क्या हुआ? कॉमन फैक्टर्स ऑफ 35 एंड 49. क्या है यहाँ पर? What are the common factors of 35 and 49? See, कॉमन कौन कौन से भी? 1, 1, 7, 7. तो see, 1 and 7, 1 and 7, these are the two common factors of 35 and 49. These are two common factors of 35 and 49. Now, HCF of 35 and 49. So what is answer here? What is the HCF of 35 and 49? What is the HCF of 35 and 49? See, this is the factor having common factor having highest value. So we can write here 7. Okay? So what we can do here? We can write the common factor and the HCF like this. Yes, next. देखिए it is 15, 25 and 14. Now see, factors of 15. What are the factors of 15? अभी 15 के क्या factors है बेटा? What are the factors of 15? देखिए 1 into 15, then 2 into नहीं होगा बेटा, then it will be 3 into 5. तो 1, 3, 5 and 15. 1, 3, 5 and 15. These are the factors of 15. Now see, in this example we have to find out the factors of 1 to 3 number. In earlier we discussed only about the 2 number, and this is the example in which we have to find out the factors of 3 number, and then we have to find out the common among these 3 factors. Okay? This is factors of 15, 1, 3, 5 and 15. Next, factors of 25. Factors of 25. So what are the factors of 25? 1, देखिए 1 into 25, 5 into 5. 5 into 5. See 1, 5 and 25. These are the 3 factors. 1, 5 and 25. These are the 3 factors of 25. Then next number is 14. Factors of 40. Factors of 40. So see, 1 into 40, 41 are 40, 2 into 20, 22 are 40, 3 into नहीं होगा बेटा, then it will be 4 into 10, 4 10 are 20 and it is 5 into 8, 5 8 are 40. Okay, so see, it is 1, 2, 4, 5, 8. 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20 and 40. And 40. See, 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20 and 40. These are the factors of 40. Now see, common factors of 15, 25 and 40. Common factors of 15, 25 and 40. So, see it is, which are the common factor? 1, 1, 1. 1 is there. Then 2 is here, but not here beta. Then see 5 is here. 5 and 5. So see, only these 2 are there. 1 and 5. So these 2 are factors which are in the list of all the factor of 3 numbers. Then now HCF of 15, 25 and 40. See, HCF of 15, 25 and 14. It is answer. What is the answer then? Your answer is, it is about only 5. आपका आंसर क्या है यहाँ पर? 5, because this is the factor having highest value. Next, factors of 24, 32 and 44. 24. चलिए, factors of 24. What are factor बेटा? See, 1 into 24, 2 into 12, 24 होगा, 3 into 8 and then 4 into 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. क्या है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. चलिए, तो what are factor? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. क्या फैक्टर? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. These are the factors of 24. Next, factors of 32. Now, what are the factors of 32? 1 into 32, 2 into 16 करो बेटा, 4 into 8. तो see, 1 into 32 means 1 and 32 both are the factor 32. 2 into 16, these two number are factor 32 and these two number are factor. So this way, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. क्या है? 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. These are the factors of 32. Next, factors of 44. Factors of 44. Now, what are the factors of 44? See, 1 into 44, 2 into 22, then 4 into 11. See, 1, 2, 4, 11, 22 and 44. 1, 2, 4, 11, 22 and 44. These are the factors of 24. What? These are the factors of 44. Then what? It is 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. Then next, it is 11, 22 and 44. And 44. Now see, common factors of 24, 32 and 44. Okay? Common factors of 24, 32 and 44. So what are the common factors now here? 1, 1, 1. Next, 2, 2, 2. Next, 4, 4, 4. So see, 1, 2 and 4. These are the three common factors. Now, SCF of 24, 32 and 44 is 4. It's 4. So this way, today we discussed example number A to E. These 5 examples today we discussed. In this example, in some example there were only 2 numbers, and in some example there are 3 numbers. There are 3 numbers to find out their SCF. So this is today's class. Thank you.